Hello everyone, are you also looking for a sea-facing flat with low density? Then I have got you at the right place. Welcome to Muraj Opulence, codenamed Shivaji Park, near Shivaji Park, Dadar West. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office and right here is the actual tower as well. You can have a look. You may also have a look at the neighborhood of the project. This side of the road will lead you to the main road. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before moving ahead, let me also give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, it's constructed on a land parcel of 0.57 acres with single tower, ground plus 41 floors with configuration of 3 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located bang on Lady Jamshedji Road, Dadar West, with Dadar station and Matunga station at a distance of just 1.5 km, Western Express Highway at a distance of just 10 minutes. We have two metro stations, Dadar and Chitla Devi, at a distance of just 450 meters, school, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 19 plus luxurious amenities which includes infinity swimming pool, multi-purpose court, kids play area and many more. So guys, I'm standing right now inside the actual tower. The construction is still ongoing and you can actually see the view from here. It's such an amazing open sea view. So all the flats are going to be sea view in this apartment. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I've got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyers series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are very much unaware of what their basic rights are. For example, you have booked a home giving a token amount to a builder, but now you want to cancel it. So how much money can the builder legally deduct? Secondly, let's say after possession you have any leakage or construction related issue. So what liability does the builder hold? We've made you understand all of these things in very simple and easy to understand language. So next time when you go to buy a home, go through this series. ये series का link आपको ऊपर I button या नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. Talking about carpet area, this project has only one configuration, 3 BHK with carpet area of 1077 and 1442. Now coming to the booking process, so our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details. We'll also help you with the actual flat and sample flat if available. We'll also help you with the payment and EMI scheme, and then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the booking amount. The booking amount is going to be 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the project overview of Muraj Opulence, codenamed Shivaji Park by Muraj Group, located near Shivaji Park, Dadar West. To get more information about this amazing property, you need to download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.